Hello duckies, Andy Lippy here. Do you get so frustrated when creating sources in OBS, like a media source, and having to change the settings every time you create one, such as turning audio monitoring on so you can actually hear the source yourself? Well, you're in for a treat. Crack that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and put your rockin' for the stone. The OBS plugin in question is by the creator Kodian and is called Source Defaults. Quite a fitting name. I was astonished that nobody has downloaded it. It's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Just grab it from the OBS forum page. I recommend using the installer, but if you choose the zip file, just copy the contents to your OBS-studio folder, usually in your C drive, then program files. The best way to use this plugin is to create a separate scene and call it something like default sources. Then create the source type you want to create the default settings for. I'll use media source as this is something I always want monitoring on, but by default it's off. Call it something like default media source. Give it all of the properties and settings you wish to be the new default. I'll take a few of these and turn audio monitoring on for this example. Right click the source and press filters, add the filter source defaults. Now you can select all the checkboxes of the settings you wish to be default from now on. Now when you go to another scene and create the same source type, it will have all the new default settings. Now anytime that I adjust the default media source settings, it will be updated for any time you are using a new source from now on too. Oh, did I mention it works for filters too? Game changer. This is a huge time saver and is great for things like browser sources, so you don't miss any of your alerts and other crazy stuff popping off. If you found this useful, smash that like button and get this end subscribed. Check out one of these helpful videos to upgrade your stream. I'll see you over there. Put your rockin' for the stone.